Hello and welcome back, guys. Today, let the kids in your house learn how to paint 4 animals in an easy way. Create a new sketch 1536 by 2048. Select yellow shade. Select Draw Styles. Select Oval. Draw a circle. Use Fill to fill in the color. Draw ears as so. Now, I'm selecting dark brown shade. Select Predictive Stroke and now let's draw the lion's mane. Use Fill to fill in the color. Let's select a light brown shade and draw the edges as so. Use Fill to fill in the color. Now, select Oval and draw an oval shape. Use Fill to fill in the color. Lower the opacity and erase the excess part. Remember to create new layers. We are going to need them for other characters. Select Predictive Stroke and draw a nose. Now, select Symmetry tool and position it in the center. Draw eyes. And mouth. Deselect symmetry when not in need. And use it wherever needed, like for ears. Now, duplicate the face layer. Open HSL adjustments and pull the lightness to -100. Use Transform to position the shadow. And now I am decreasing the opacity. And your lion is ready to roar. Duplicate the face layer. Use Transform to position the face. Duplicate the following layers. You will have to shift the layers up. Change the ear color to brown. Use the Fill option. Now, select Predictive Stroke. Let's draw the hair. Select Symmetry tool. Use Fill to fill in the color. And your tiger is ready to roar. Duplicate the face layer. Use Transform to position the face. I am erasing the ears. Change the face color to brown by using fill. Select Symmetry tool and draw ears. Use fill to fill in the color. Draw eyes. And a nose. I am enlarging the ears a bit. My recording stopped. Please add a pink tongue, and my cute puppy is ready to bark. Duplicate the face layer. Move the layers all the way up, and then use transform to position them. Duplicate the face layer and use HSL, lightness to -80. I am creating an outline. Use transform and position the layer. Use fill to fill in the white color. I reduced the opacity of outline. Select Symmetry tool and draw ears. Now draw eye patches. You can copy-paste the nose. Select Symmetry tool and draw eyes. Make a shadow effect by duplicating the face layer. And your panda is ready to squeak. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this tutorial in the comments below. Hit a like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay creative.